Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to repost someone else's video in TikTok. The profile that posted that video will have a note that you reposted it, and you will have that video hanging in your profile. Watch. To do this, you open the app. You find the video you want. Then you click on the button, Share. There's a repost button. You click on that button. Done. This video is already in your profile. You can check it out. Go to your profile, and in this item we see all the videos that we have posted. You can keep them here or delete them. As you can see, it's a very easy and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.